we will go to take up the one more problem on sheet metal design. How to design this particular part, that is this one, by using the Fusion software. Now you go for this. So now I will go for sheet metal rules. Okay. First I will go for sketch. Okay. Click on this right plane. Now I will go for line, select some arbitrary point and I will draw a line of any length and go to dimension, click on this and type 90. Okay. Then again, I want to draw this line 100 at 80 degrees. Go to line, select this endpoint and go to dimension, make the align dimension as 100. Then the angle is 80 degree, dimension between these two. Angle is 80. Then I want to draw a line from here and draw any inclined line. Go to dimension, give the dimension as 75 and then go to angle between these two and give it as 40 degrees. Okay. Then again, I want 20 at an angle of perpendicular to that. Go to line, draw a line from this point perpendicular to this. Go to dimension, select this and give the, go to dimension, select this and give the dimension as 20. Then again, I want to go for line, draw a line at any inclined angle. Give the dimension, this one as 15, not 50, yeah, 15 mm. And the angle between these two is 105. Okay. Once you do that, you just go for finish sketch and go to 3D. Okay. So here I want to go for the flange. See, that is because it is the sheet metal. You just click on this and give the one side as the distance as 40. Okay. And you go to symmetric. Okay. Once you do that, so you have the symmetric distance of the total thing. I will just click on OK. Now, the actual dimension what we have now for this is, then click on the modify. Now I'll just go to appearance and I'll go for paint. Okay, then go to glossy, then come down to yellow and say close. Now I want to unfold this. Okay, so to do that, I will go for modify, click on unfold, unfold all bends. You just click on this, select the stationary unit entity, that is this one. I don't want that to be unfolded. So it is directly and go to unfold all bands. So this is how you will be getting this model here, and I will just click on OK. So once you do that, you're going to get this. Then click on sketch, select on the top surface of the flat face. Again, you go to sketch, click on this top surface. Now you have this. Now I want to create this dimension, that is 13 mm from here, and then you have 8 mm, 9 mm at this point. So to do that, I will go for project, select on this entire body and say OK. Wherever you have this intersection, it will consider that. Then from that point, I want to take this dimension to be 13. So I'll go for line, select this line and draw this point till on this. Okay. Now to do that, first I'll go for line, go to construction line, select between the endpoint of this to endpoint of this. So we have that as the first line. I will go for line, remove the construction line, take endpoint of this onto this now. Then go to dimension between this line and this line, give the dimension as 30. Okay. Then again, I want to come down to this point. So which is that point here. So the first one what we are considering here. So to do that, I will go for line, select this construction line between endpoint of this to endpoint of this. Now I want to draw a line, remove construction line, take endpoint of this onto this point. Okay. Then I want to go for dimension, select this point and give the dimension as 9. Then again I will go for line, draw a line from this point perpendicular to this directly. Now I want to mirror this onto this side. So to do that, I will go for line, select the construction line, take the center of this to this part. Now I'll go for create, go for mirror, select on this edge, and by holding the shift key, you select all these 3 lines. Okay. Then go to mirror line, select on this. Okay. And click on OK now. So we have created all these things. Next, I want to go for split body. So I will just go for finish sketch. Now I'll go for solid, click on modify, click on split body, select this as the body, then you take the splitting tool as this line and on this line and click on OK. Now once you do that, then you come down to sheet metal, or it is on the solid only. Can we remove that? You have any remove command? Yes. Remove this portion and this portion and click on OK. So now we have completed this. Then once you do that, again I want to create click on the sketch on the top surface of the body now. So to do that, I will just go for 3 dimension, click on sketch, click on this top plane. Okay. Then I need to draw this oblong hole here, which is 183.995. So to do that, I will go for create. First I'll go for line, select this point and then draw the construction line. Once you do that, now I'll go for create, click on slot, click on center to center slot, remove construction. So I think it is on the first second portion. Okay, this is the first one and this is the second portion. So I will select some arbitrary point and then by holding this I will drag this and keep it. So once I do that, I will go for collinear point. Okay, let us see how it can be done. Now we go for the dimension 30. Okay, then I'll go for dimension, select this and give the dimension as 30. Okay, then go to radius as 5, correct? Radius as 10. Okay, it's quite a big number. Okay, then I want to place that. Okay, at a distance, the midpoint of this is 183.995. So what I will do, I will take the create, I will go for a point, select some arbitrary point on this line, or I will keep it somewhere outside. Okay, then I will go for horizontal or vertical, select on this and you select on this now. So then I'll go for dimension between this point and give the dimension as 183 995. So I will go for 183.995. Okay. Then I want to go for coincident. I will take the, go to midpoint. Select the midpoint of this line to be on the center of this. So this is the one thing what I can do. The next part is, again, I want to go for this one, which is 264.85. Again, I will go for create, go for point, select some arbitrary point here. Then I want to go for horizontal or vertical, select between these two. Then I want to go for dimension between this point and this point. So the dimension is 264.85. So give the dimension as 264.85. Okay. Now I want to create that sketch. That sketch is going beyond the dimension. Okay. 40, 10. I will go for create, go for slot, take to center slot, select this point, and then take this dimension. So again, I will go for dimension, select this line and give the dimension as 40. Then I want this radius to be 10. Then I want go to coincident, select midpoint of this center line slot with the reference to this. And then I will go for finish sketch and go to 3D. And now I want to remove that. So since I want to remove, I will go for create, once you go for this, go to create, go to extrude, select this entire profile, similarly on this side also. Go to distance is through all, flip and cut it. So once you do that, now we will come back to this portion. Then click on remove, unfold, the following will be the display. Now you go to remove faces. So you will going to get back to this particular model. So this is how you will be able to create this particular model by using the Fusion software. Now I will go for create the rule. In this, you can see the editing. The thickness of the sheet is 2 and the K factor is 0.44 and the bend condition is thickness into 2. Relief is right. Then relief width is relief width and relief depth is, and also relief remnant is thickness into 2. So once this is how you will be able to create this model by using the sheet metal design by using the Fusion software. Thank you.